हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब। दोस्तों, आज मैं बताता हूँ कि टीरेक्स माइनर से आप माइन कैसे कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ कैन यू माइन एथेरियम यूजिंग टीरेक्स। तो द लेटेस्ट वर्जन यू कैन सर्च इन गूगल एंड यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू github.com एंड सर्च फॉर द टीरेक्स लेटेस्ट रिलीज। तो टीरेक्स 0.24.8, दिस इज द latest release, and see what are the updates here given. And this is for Windows, this is for Linux. So if you want to download for Windows, click on it and in few seconds it will get downloaded. So I have collected it already here, so it's already here, and you have to put it to a folder and unzip it. So you can extract it to the folder. So these are the extracted files. Now in order to start the mining, you have to see what you want to mine. So there are different coins available for mining. So this is for ERGO 2 miner, and this is for Ethereum ETH miner, RBN miners 2 miners. Okay, so this all the batch files, but at a time you will be executing only one batch file. So let's see this one in order to mine Ethereum. So Ethereum mine करने के लिए just edit this file. So everything is given here, but this first parameter can change, or the file name itself will have to change, and you have to give the full qualified name for this. So I copied the address and I am putting it here. Okay, so now I have this full file name here. To execute, -a eth ash hash, and then you give the miner's address, and this should be your Ethereum wallet number. And once you give your Ethereum wallet number, this is ready to use in the minimum parameter conditions. So by default other parameters will be fetched. If you want to look at more parameters, I will try to make on more videos on this later on, but as of now it is here, and once you fill in the address, then it is good to run. I will change the receiving address and save this file so that it is ready to go, and once you execute it, it will start executing, provided all your graphics cards are in place and the system is up and running. So if you want a demo on that, I will try to make it in my coming videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.